Muhammad Ali said it, you always have a plan until you get punched in the face. 6 months later, on the next episode, I come back to London and I'm selling garbage, you know. I'm day trading garbage. Literally, I'm buying garbage. Why? Because I ran out of money.
I guess the first question that comes to my mind, as someone who worked in Amazon now who's thinking about entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Because to me, it appears you have a big advantage. Even the brand. Why not an Amazon business?
I think Amazon is too ruthless and hard to work with. And I cannot have my income reliant on Amazon's constantly changing policies and BS.
That is really interesting. I have an Amazon KDP business that pays royalties every month.
Nice.
And then one day, all of a sudden, I got an email from Amazon saying they've terminated my account. We're not telling you why, but you're not going to get paid, and you're never going to be able to open an Amazon KDP account ever again. And I was like, what? Why this, that? Please.